waterproof. It's drying, but it's not going to set it like it would if it was waterproof. But because I did use an eyelash curler, it's okay. It's just not the best. I like waterproof the best, personally. Oops. The other thing is this is very wet. So when you use a really wet mascara, it's just boo-booey. See that? Get that back out there. There. So let's wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. That skin tag is grabbing mascara. That's where the skin tag is, right there. It's grabbing my mascara. Huh. Stop it. Oh, you little bugger. Okay. Squint. Just use the tip end of the wand to kind of drag the mascara down the lash. It won't do it there because there's a big glob. Because the little skin tag grabbed the mascara off. Actually, that's a lash. Let's just do it on both sides so it won't look out of balance. We'll just put a little extra back on these back lashes. So it's a little more matchy. Gloopy is what it really is. But that's okay. I like a little bit of gloop. Is that good? I think it is. I think that's as good as it's going to get. So what do y'all think? That's my mascara and my whole face look. And I've had my hair back for you so you can kind of see what this looks like. And we can now do, this is the matte finishing spray. Here goes. Close your eyes. Definitely don't get this in your eyes. And kind of stay low. Did you see I went up? But I kind of went up to my forehead. So, does it mattify? It says it mattifies. Gosh, I feel like powder just really makes your wrinkles so prominent. I don't know, maybe my wrinkles just are prominent. But that's my look. That's my skincare. You asked for it and you got it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have no idea where we are in filming. We could be on part 17. Where are we? 22 or 27? I can't see. I think that says 27. Oh, that means we went over. I wonder how far over we went. Should I go into the next video? By the way, do y'all like these glasses better? Or do you like the little frameless ones better? Curious for y'all comment below. Tell me what you think. Do you like the kind of modern stainless steel, almost like an old-fashioned cat eye frame? These are, if you'll notice, these are glareless. These do not have the glare that the other ones have. That's why I do like these so much. And they're kind of bigger glass, and so you see more of my eye through it. But there's a very obvious frame, whereas the other ones, they don't have a frame. I'll get them because they're right over there. Hold, please. Hold just 1 second. And I'll get them. You know what? It's also time for me to, I'm going to be doing a Bible study next, but it's also time for me to draw a winner for our winter giveaway because we're clearly into spring this week. We've had a little bit of winter. Still, people are still having snow. Okay, so here's the other look. This is rimless. But look at the glare. I have to look down so you can see. See, when I look up, you see the glass. I mean, the lights. Maybe if I do an angle and look down a little bit. So do you like this better? Try to ignore the glare if you can. Do you like this look better? Almost looks like there's no frame. Or do you like this look, which has the non-glare? Look, I can look right at you and you don't see my lights. Or not so bad anyway. It's a very obvious frame. But it's a modern frame, so it's kind of cool. So y'all tell me. Comment below which one of my glasses you like, frameless or stainless. Frameless or stainless. That's really cute. I like that I have 2 pair. I like to have more than 1 pair, to be honest. You know what I didn't do, and I rarely do, but I'm going to go ahead and do it this time. Do I have that? Which one of these would it be? Yeah, this one. I have 2 Charlotte Tilbury. I love these palettes. They're so beautiful. It's that rose gold and burgundy.